Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to discuss 11th edited assignment solution. The topic is integers. So, in that, the first question is a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? That means if you want to make any freezing, that means if you want to make any ice, so that must be 40 degrees centigrade to 10 hours for each and every hour that is going to decrease 5 degrees centigrade. Then what will be that freezing temperature after 10 hours? After 10 hours. So here, what is the given temperature? The given temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. Given temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. 40 degrees centigrade. Here in this 40 degrees centigrade, the decreasing temperature is what per hour? That is 5 degrees centigrade. Decreasing means that will be subtracted. So next here the room temperature after 10 hours, that will be present temperature plus each of 5 degrees centigrade is decreasing number for 10 hours, that will be 10 into minus 5, that becomes 40 degrees centigrade plus into minus 10 into 5 is 50 degrees centigrade. Minus 50, how much ma? That is minus 10 degrees centigrade. So therefore the room temperature after 10 hours process begins is minus 10 degrees centigrade. Next, if you come to the second question is in class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer, minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer, 0 for a question not attempted. If people are giving the JEE mains exams, in that there is no in that there is no there will be negative marking, as well as if you give correct answer, will be getting the 4 marks or 3 marks. If you give the wrong answer, you are going to lose extra marks. You are going to lose the extra marks. Similarly, here there are three students. The three students are giving the test. In the three students, one by one, we'll discuss. Mohan gets 4 correct answers, 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? Reshma gets 5 correct, 5 incorrect. What is her score? Hina gets 2 correct, 5 incorrect. What is her score? We need to find. First, if you come to the Mohan gets 4 correct answer. Each correct answer, how many marks? 5 marks. The total will be 4 into 5, 20 marks. Next, incorrect answer Mohan 6. Each incorrect marks is minus 2. 6 into minus 2, minus 12 marks. Therefore, the total marks is what? That is 20 minus 12, that is 8 marks. So Mohan finally he got 8 marks. So if we come to the Reshma's correct answer is how much? Reshma 5 correct answer. She will be getting the 25 marks for correct answers, and she has done 5 incorrect questions. So for that she is losing the 5 into minus 2. She is losing the minus 10 mark. Then what about her marks? Her marks is 25 minus 10, that is 15 marks. So Reshma got 15 marks in total. Next, if you come to the Hina gets marks for 2 correct questions. So for 2 correct questions, she will be getting the 10 marks. Each question is 5 marks. So incorrect answer, how many she has done? 5 incorrect answer. That is 5 times of minus 2. Minus 10 marks. So totally how many marks she will be getting? 10 minus 10, 0. That will be, she will be getting the 0 mark. So that if you don't know any answer in the examination, so please don't attempt that. It is not a descriptive, it is a negative marking will be there. So whichever you have done the correct answer, there also you may lose the marks. If you are exact about your answer, then only you write. Next, if we come to the third question, verify that a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a comma b and c. A is equal to 12, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 2. Now here it is the given statement, given values. First I am checking with the LHS. A divided by b plus c. A value is 12 divided by b value minus 4 plus 2. So here 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. So that is 12 by 2 is how much? Minus 6. Now we'll check for the RHS. RHS is A divided by B plus A divided by C. 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. That is 12 divided by minus 4, how much ma? Minus 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. So plus 3 minus 6 not equal ma. So they are so LHS is not equal to RHS. This is only we need to prove. Hence proved. If we come to the fourth question is write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 comma minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So like the way we need to write the 5 pairs. Whatever it may be we can write, but result must give the minus 3. So if you take one pair here, minus 6 divided by 2, minus 3. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Next 12 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are minus 3 ma. Next 15 minus 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. That becomes minus 3. Next 9 divided by minus 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are minus 3. Next 9 divided 20 minus 27 divided by 9. That is 9 ones are 9 threes are minus 3. Like the way we can take any examples, any pairs we can take. Thank you everyone. This is the 11th dated assignment solutions.